In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Uizard templates. If you're building an app or website and want a head start, Uizard's AI-powered templates are a great way to go from idea to screen in minutes. I'll walk you through getting in, finding the templates gallery, picking the right design, and choosing the layout size that fits your project. First, open your browser and head to the Uizard website. Using a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari helps everything load smoothly. Once the homepage appears, look toward the top right and click Log In. Signing in ensures your work is saved and synced. On the Sign In page, select Log In with Google. This is the quickest route if you already use a Google account with your design work. If you're prompted to review permissions, accept them to continue. Next, choose your Google account from the list. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one where you want your projects to live. Complete any verification prompts that appear, and you'll be taken right into your workspace. From your dashboard, find the Templates area and click Templates. This opens Uizard's library of ready-made designs, everything from mobile app flows to website layouts. Templates are organized to help you start fast, so instead of creating screens from scratch, you begin with a solid, professionally designed foundation. Take a moment to browse and choose a template that fits your use case. Hover over a design to preview the vibe and read any descriptions to learn what's included. Think about your goals, whether you need a marketing site, an onboarding flow, or an e-commerce experience. Matching the template to your project will reduce rework later. After selecting a template, you'll choose the working canvas size. Click Desktop if your primary target is laptop or desktop users. Uizard also offers tablet and mobile versions, which are ideal if your project will be used on smaller screens. Your choice here sets the default artboard dimensions and grid, so pick the format where your audience will spend the most time. You can always adapt components later if you need additional sizes. That's it. With your template and size selected, your project opens and you're ready to start customizing. Edit text, tweak colors, swap images, and refine layouts to match your brand. Autosave will keep your progress intact, and clear project names make it easier to stay organized as you iterate. Enjoy building with Uizard. Link.